Okay, now I'm going to show you the materials that you need to assemble to make this project. It's probably the most complicated part of it because you need quite a few different things. You need 16 centimeters of antique copper chain. Like with this, it's a small chain. It's not too bulky. You could use it, that's about 4 inches. Obviously this depends on how long you wish to wear your necklace, so you could start with it a little bit longer, then cut it shorter at the end. You cut chain is sold in long spools, and you cut it you're using a pair of wire cutters. Never cut chain with scissors because it breaks the scissors. That's by the way. And then you need 3 flower pieces which were with holes that you embellish. You can get these from specialized jewelry stores, and you need 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter crystals, depending on the size. It really is a question of taste. These happen to be Austrian crystals. You can use Swarovski crystals, and obviously the color of the crystal depends on the color combination you're going to choose for your necklace. You need 4 jump rings. Smallish jump rings. These are about 8 millimeters, and 4 rounded head pins. And you need, of course, Swarovski crystals. The size is known as 24 pp. If you see that these crystals are going to be inserted in these little holes here, and the one in the middle is actually a little bit bigger. So if you really want to be exact, this is an 18 pp hole, but the 24 does fit in it. It's just a little bit smaller. And you need an antique copper lobster clasp. And once you've got all these products assembled, then you're ready to begin. In addition to the wire cutters that you need for cutting the chain, you need 2 pairs of flat nose pliers and a pair of needle nose pliers in order to work with the necklace. You'll need special glue called Strass 244, which is for gluing on the crystals. And it's advisable to have a Q-tip at your disposal, and a little bit of water.